Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Six things that are not included in Salah but are compulsory before starting namaz. It means that Salah will not begin if any of the requirements are excluded. First of these is Taharat. Taharat means that when Musalli is about to start his Salah, his body, his clothes, and where he will be performing Salah should be clean. Besides it, one must be bathed or abluted. When this is completed, the taharat will also be completed. Second precondition of salah is sitra aurat. This means that those body parts which are compulsory to be bashrawed, those should be covered. Men's body from navel to knees must be covered, whereas the woman's whole body except five parts: face, both palms, soles of both feet. This is said to be as sitra aurat. Third precondition is waqt. It means to offer salah within its stipulated time. Zohar time for Zohar salah, Asr time for Asr salah. This is the third precondition. Fourth precondition is istiqbal qibla. It means that Musalli's face and chest should be facing towards qibla. Fifth precondition is niyat, intention. It means Musalli's firm intention for his salah in his heart, and if there is no firm intention in the heart, salah will not be attempted. Although verbal intention is better, but firm intention in heart is necessary. So if someone is offering Fajr Salah, Zuhr Salah, Asr Salah, Faraiz, Sunnah, Wajibat, Nawafil, or anything else, firm intention in heart is necessary. Sixth precondition is Takbira Tahrima, means starting Salah by uttering Allahu Akbar is necessary. So these are six preconditions of Salah, and these are necessary before offering Salah. It is necessary that these preconditions, including Takbir Tahrima and all those preconditions, before it should be implemented till the end of Salah. Wallahu ta'ala a'lam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.